This is how you make your own non-toxic disinfectant cleaner. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Liv, founder and owner of Liv Holistic, where I share simple and practical tips to live a holistic lifestyle. And today we're making a non-toxic DIY disinfectant cleaner. This can be used on surfaces, doorknobs, and can even be used as a glass cleaner as well. First, you'll need 1 cup of white vinegar. Vinegar is also a natural deodorizer as well. Next, we're adding 1 cup of filtered or distilled water. Next, we're adding a 1/4 cup of alcohol. I'm using 70% rubbing alcohol, which it's recommended to use 70% and above. This gives an extra boost of disinfectant. I keep seeing posts about the flu and the stomach bug going around, so this would be really good to spray on bathroom doorknobs just to keep the doorknobs nice and clean so you're not spreading the germs from one person to another within your household. Now we're going to add the essential oils. But before we move on, I want to thank the sponsor of this video, the Liv Holistic storefront located at 342 State Street in Hamburg, PA. This is where you can find all of your non-toxic swaps from essential oils to hair care, skincare, cleaning, and dental care. You can also find DIY containers just like this 16-ounce spray bottle. So thank you to the Liv Holistic storefront for sponsoring this part of the video. So now let's add 10 drops of lemon essential oil. This is my own brand of essential oil that's also at the storefront. We're organic and third-party tested for quality. Next, we're adding 10 drops of tea tree essential oil. Tea tree oil and lemon oil are both good disinfectants and kills any bacteria that could be lurking around, which makes this solution even more powerful for killing germs. There we go. Use it on surfaces except granite countertops. You can use it to clean the toilet, the shower, the glass mirrors, windows, doorknobs. Spray anywhere that you want to disinfect. Thank you so much for being here. If you want to learn more about lavender essential oil, click my video where I explain 4 amazing ways to use lavender essential oil.